Did you accidentally delete your account along with all transactions? Well, let's get everything back to the way it was before. For this, we need to take 5 steps. Step 1. In the activity history, filter by date and by the type of action delete. Press and cancel the deletion of all transactions one by one related to this account. Step 2. After you have restored all the transactions, they appear in the transaction log without an account. So now you need to assign an account to them. Not if you have hidden accounts. It is better to restore them at the time of performing these steps to get only the necessary transactions in the list. Step 3. Create a new account. The name can be the same as the deleted one. Next, you should filter out only profitable transactions and those without an account. Download them to an Excel file and specify the name in the To Account column. Save the file and return to Finmap. Step 4. In the Import section, select Download from Excel and specify our file. Download the transactions. Repeat the same steps for expense transactions, only enter the account name in the From Account column. In the journal, check the availability of all uploaded transactions and, if necessary, set the starting balance based on the old data or by calculating it yourself. After checking that everything has been restored, you can delete transactions that do not have an account to avoid duplication of information. If you have deleted an account and these actions are correct, but the balances on other accounts have changed, this was caused by the deletion of transfer transactions related to the deleted and active accounts. To fix this, go to the activity history and filter the type of deletion action and the type of transfer operation. Restore the transfers that were deleted along with the account. Be guided by the date of the action, as all transfers from one account will be deleted at the same time. Restoring transfers should update the balances on active accounts.